Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now here I am at Joannes doing a shop with me. Aren't those beehives looking really cute? I love them. Okay, so if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart. Now I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music so that you can enjoy the shop with me. I'll see you at the end. Also remember to head on over to my community tab where there you're going to see the calendar of collaborations for the month of April. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.